Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to join an English-speaking server in Roblox. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So the first thing that we need to do is open up Google. Just search for BT Roblox. This is a very popular extension here, so just open it up. It has 4 million users. It's completely safe and free. So just click on Add Extension, and it's going to add it to our Google Chrome. Now refresh your Roblox game here. And after we refresh the browser, we will search for Brookhaven. And we'll search for Brookhaven in Experiences and just load up the game. Now if we scroll down here, you should be able to see a list of all of the different servers along with the ping. But what we actually want to do is click on the gear icon, go into BTR settings, scroll all the way down into the Advanced tab, click on it, and then click on Game Details here, and we will just select region. After we have done this, just refresh your page. And now here it will show you all of the different regions. And basically you want to find a United States server. So region United States, Miami, Florida in this case. And it should be an English-speaking region. So that's basically how you can join an English-speaking server in Roblox. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.